This program shows how to orbit the Moon as quickly as possible in Kerbal Space Program, starting in Science Mode. In Science Mode, all of the buildings are completely developed. All Kerbals start with the highest level of experience. Maneuver nodes are available from the start. Build the first ship. Launch your first ship and collect data at the launch site, in the ocean, in the atmosphere, and on land. This may take several trips. When you have enough science, research basic rocketry, general rocketry, and engineering 101. Add a thermometer and run the mission again to gather more science. Add survivability so that we have access to the barometer and heat shield. Build the next rocket. Be sure to add barometers so that we can collect more science. Launch the next ship for a suborbital flight. Launch the rocket on a suborbital flight and collect as much data as you can. Research advanced rocketry and stability. You will now have access to the Terrier engine, which is much more efficient in a vacuum. Next, build our Moon orbital rocket. Launch the Moon rocket. Start tapping D after igniting the second stage. Use W and S to keep your heading around 90 degrees. Stop accelerating when your apoapsis is over 70 kilometers. Start accelerating again when your altitude is within 10 kilometers of your apoapsis. Continue until your periapsis is over 70 kilometers, but don't let the apoapsis get too high. You should achieve orbit with a heading of 90 degrees. Create a maneuver node. Set the Moon as the target. Use Moon Focus View to fine-tune your maneuver. Align your ship to the blue symbol at launch when you are at half of the burn time. You can warp until you are closer to the Moon. The Moon's gravity will take over. Do another maneuver to go into orbit around the Moon. Collect science while orbiting the Moon. Add a maneuver node to return to Kerbin. Adjust the maneuver node to return into the atmosphere.